Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install FFmpeg on Windows for batch video conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Download the FFmpeg zip file from the official FFmpeg website. Locate the latest build for Windows under the Get FFmpeg section. Click on the Windows link to access the builds available. Select the GPL or SS version for your needs. Choose the static build for easier installation. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Extract the zip file using an extraction tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract here or Extract to option. After extraction, find the newly created folder named FFmpeg. Open the FFmpeg folder and locate the bin directory inside it. Inside the bin directory, find the file named ffmpeg.exe. Copy the path of the bin directory from the address bar. Right-click on this PC or My Computer on your desktop or in File Explorer. Select Properties from the context menu. On the left, click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. In the Environment Variables window, find the path variable in the System Variables section. Select Path and then click the Edit button. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click New and paste the path you copied earlier. Click OK to close all windows and apply the changes. To verify the installation, open the command prompt. Type FFmpeg version and press Enter. You should see information about the installed FFmpeg version. To set up batch video conversions, create a new folder for your video files. Place all the video files you want to convert into this folder. Open a new command prompt window in that folder. You can do this by typing cmd in the folder's address bar and pressing Enter. Use the FFmpeg command for batch conversion. For example, type ffmpeg input.mp4 to convert a single file. To convert multiple files, use a command like %in star.mp4, do ffmpeg i% na.avi. Press Enter to start the batch conversion process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.